How to create a new category on your Discord server on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a category on your Discord easy and fast. So first thing, go to your server. This is my server right here. Now all what you have to do to create a category is go to the top right here and click on this arrow, and you will find create category option. Click on it and now choose the name of the category, for example tech. Choose if you want it private or public as you want, then click next, and you can add members, and if you want to click skip, and the category it's created. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.